Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we will explore SoFi in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investment decisions. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2024, our system has identified SoFi as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.36. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time period. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 89.06% since we initially designated SoFi as a buy candidate 45 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.98% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock currently rests in the upper section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This position may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a pullback toward the lower section of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $14.20 will first indicate an accelerated rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 64.94% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 22.34% to 69.45%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of 7.16% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 49.02% and 9.44%. This translates to a price range of $7.05 to $15.12 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline, SoFi stock upgraded to buy candidate. The SoFi stock price decreased by 2.06% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, falling from $14.11 to $13.82. During this trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.64%, with a low of $13.37 and a high of $13.99. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 32% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which is a positive indicator as volume typically follows price movements. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 43 million shares, with a total of 60 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $824.5 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $14.44, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price stands 4.29%, or 62 cents, below the 52-week high, and 51.10%, or $14.44, below the all-time high reached on the 1st of February, 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. SoFi Technologies is in the spotlight as it nears a crucial moment in its journey, with the stock recently reaching a peak of $14.42, a level not seen since early 2022. This increase, propelled by an impressive 30% rally since Election Day, is backed by investor optimism regarding newly favorable regulatory conditions anticipated under the incoming government. The company reported strong results for the third quarter of 2024, highlighting a 35% year-over-year growth in new members and a 37% rise in new products. The increase in fee-based income, now comprising 25% of adjusted net revenue, bolsters earnings stability shielding SOFI from fluctuations in interest rates. This strategic diversification accompanies their expansion into new offerings, including fraud prevention tools and alternative investment options like real estate and private credit. Market analysts, including industry leaders from MetLife and Thornburg, convey a positive outlook, pointing to robust market momentum and internal indicators. SOFI's performance has positioned it favorably within the competitive fintech landscape, indicating potential for sustained growth. In the short term, the stock's recent highs may prompt profit-taking among investors. However, the underlying growth metrics and favorable market conditions suggest that a bullish sentiment may prevail. In the long term, if the company continues its growth trajectory and leverages regulatory changes, it could see substantial upside potential. Overall, the combination of strong quarterly results and positive market dynamics presents a compelling case for SOFI Technologies in the upcoming months. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SOFI a buy rating while recommending a hold action. On the same day, Barclays also rated SOFI as equal weight with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, Jefferies issued a buy grade for SOFI, accompanied by a hold suggestion. On that same Tuesday, Goldman Sachs provided SOFI with a neutral rating while recommending a hold action. Earlier, on Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, Citigroup rated SOFI as a buy and advised a hold action. Analysts have provided a broad sell rating for SOFI stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have assigned the stock and sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SOFI. The SOFI stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $12.43 and $10.04. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, November 11, 2024, and since then, the stock has decreased by 2.06%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which diminishes overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, a sell signal has been identified. Pivots, a sell signal was noted 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal was observed 22 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 60 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we find the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 32 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 49 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 54 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOFI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $13.01 and $11.22. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level fails, the stock may decline to the next support threshold. In this case, SOFI finds support just below today's level at $13.01. If this level is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $11.22 and $10.47. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, characterized by its volatility, and given the extensive prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is regarded as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 620 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 4.64%. For the prior week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.45%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoFi, let's briefly cover some key fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio indicates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is projected for the 3rd of February 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 4 cents per share. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can have a considerable impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoFi is at $14.11. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoFi faces its first support level at $13.01. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for SoFi from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of October, 2024, Kelly Keough conducted an insider sale of 9,308 shares of common stock. On the 26th of September, 2024, Eric Schopenhauer executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the same day, Eric Schopenhauer also conducted an insider purchase of 891,694 shares of restricted stock units. On the 23rd of September, 2024, Kelly Keough again performed an insider sale of 9,308 shares of common stock. On the 20th of September, 2024, Jeremy Rischel conducted an insider sale of 68,081 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 51.577. In total, insiders purchased 8,180,783 shares and sold 27,722,615 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $13.24, reflecting a decline of 4.22%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. The relative strength index, measured over 14 days, stands at 78, further elevating the risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is SoFi stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, alongside a generally positive trend, suggest that now could be a good time to consider buying. The potential for SoFi stock to perform well in the near future appears promising. As a result, we have revised our analysis from a hold accumulate rating to a buy recommendation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is somewhat overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 13th of November, we anticipate that SoFi will open slightly lower, around 93/100ths of a dollar, starting at approximately $13.73. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.